As the sunset unravels here in San Fernando City, Pampanga, and so as our game for tonight. Ito na po ang ating game 5 of 5 ng ating Delta Cup Intercities Municipalities Basketball dito sa Brenzy Yao Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Maya pabengi po kayo as we take a look at Ingbayong, Mexico, and of course our focus player here is of course Den Llantos, who has been a consistent performer with the points, rebounds, and also his playmaking. Para naman sa San Simon, itong si Andre Dungo, not only in the defensive special, he's also one of the top performers sa Sam's Academy of Pampanga. Well, I feel he will have a great impact. Yan ang ating match at hand for our main game in Bayong, Mexico. Laban sa I Love San Simon, two teams that will battle down for this main game for tonight. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro po lamang. Live na live sa Brenzy Yao Convention Center. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa ating social media platforms ng Delta Cup. Facebook.com at Pampanga PIO, Public Information Office, at gayon din sa ating YouTube channels at Pampanga PIO and at Sinang Liga TV. Ngayon, pasadahan natin mga kaibigan ang ating team standings. Let's take a look. What are the two teams that are battle tonight? Unahin natin muna ang Ingbayong, Mexico. Yan po ay sa bracket B. Or San Simon rather, with 4-4 win-loss record. Bracket A pala siya. Yung Ingbayong, Mexico naman is at 5 win-4 loss record. So a win here will put them, one team will put them on a 6 wins, or kung sakaling manalo San Simon, they're gonna be tied at 5-5 win-loss record. And both of them almost assured of the playoffs as we wind down the playing days ng ating elimination. Wow, so have a closer look of these two teams. And wag na natin patagalin pa. Coming up, it's gonna be Ingbayong, Mexico versus I Love San Simon. Ngayon, ipasa na natin sa ating venue announcer, Ram Valid, for the starters of both squads. Ram, take it away.
Good evening, Delta Cup fans. We're coming to you live inside the Brenzy Yao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga Delta. This is the Delta Cup 2023 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Invitational Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. Catch live action at Pampanga Public Information Office, PIO FB page, and YouTube channel. This is the last game for today's schedule. This is the battle between Ingbayong, Mexico, and your I Love San Simon. And now let's meet the protagonist. First, for your Ingbayong, Mexico. Starting at guard number 1, Barry Lockup. Also at guard number 24, Reden Llantos. At forward number 10, Exy Perez. Also at forward number 12, Luis Vallecas. And center number 8, NJ Pascual. Head coach for Mexico is J.R. Gomez, assisted by Howard Gonzalez, John Ronald David, and John Carlo Manalili. Team manager, Mr. Alex Baluyo. And now let's meet the starters for your I Love San Simon. Point guard number 30, Ian Malonzo. Shooting guard number 9, Jolo Pascual. Small forward number 13, Steven Angeles. Power forward number 31, Parley Dimla. And center number 18, Patrick Punsalan. Head coach for San Simon is Danny Torres. Assistant coaches, Gian Mago, Edrem Dimla, Rich Bravo, Lawrence Mago, and Patrick Gambal. Game official charge and action, John Banaya, John Lisiguez, and Noel. Pinchero.
Sabihin natin ang ating starters for both squads. For Mexico, we have Lacap Llantos. Para naman sa forward, we have Vallecas, Perez. And sa center ay si Pascual. Para naman San Simon, at guard, we have Malonzo and Jolo Pascual. Para naman sa forward position, Dimla, Angeles. And of course, ang center nila ay si Patrick Punsalan. Referees for this ball game, Jong Banayan Jr., John Lesigues and Noel Menchero. Ito na po ang ating final game for tonight for a 5-game bill of our Delta Cup. Mexico in white and blue, and of course San Simon in the dark blue uniforms. Initial possession po para sa Mexico. They swing it around the perimeter. Llantos with a high drive to the basket. Draws a foul against Jum Dimla, his first personal. Or rather, Parley Dimla. Our focus player within Llantos in the last 2 games is averaging about 15 points per game and 5 assists. And he is also one of the clutch players for Igbayong Mexico. At bira ko makita sa isang player na naka-pink na medyas. Obserbahan ko lang. Reden Llantos gusto niyang magpahiyang in this ball game. First point for the ball game again for Reden Llantos. 1-0. San Simon may tangan ng bola. They swing it around to the perimeter. Pascual. At low post play. The drop pass inside. Dimla unable to convert. Sayang naman yon. In the meantime, Mexico brings it up the ladder. Here's Cycle Parents. Cycle now to Lakap. Lakap on top of the key area. Looking for a friend. Looking for a cutter. There's a screen provided by Pascual. Here's a 3-point shot on its way. It's a failure. Battle for the rebound. Look at Llantos towering high with the rebound. Just couldn't make it. Fast break with the work for San Simon. They're looking for the first free goal. The drop pass inside. Nice ball fake. The release. The turnaround. It's no good. Rebound control for Mexico. And then Llantos is up ahead for his third point of the ball game. 3-0. Igbayong Mexico. 8:50 left in the first quarter. Pascual ang may tangan ng bola. Pascual shopping around, looking for a cutter. Nowhere to go. They're still in the perimeter. Pascual swinging around on the left side of the court. From the baseline, 3-point shot. No soak that time. Rebound. Battled. It will be still Punsalan. Kick out pass. 3-pointer. Good! Steven Angeles drills it. And both teams now sitting on the bench. And both teams scoring. We're tied at 3. First net lang on the ball game. Dada binababa lang ka man bola. Binigay kay Llantos on the right side. Llantos, skip pass inside, right down the baseline. That is thwarted, aborted. Shot clock running down at 9 at the baseline. Wala na sarhan ng pintuan. The reverse left, difficult shot. Cycle Perez with a cycle move inside. 5-3 is a tally. Here's Dimla. Dimla, pump fakes. The release is not perfect. A tad short. Battle for the rebound won by Mexico. Last touch by San Simon. Ito na si Lakap. Siya nagbababaw ng bola para sa Mexico. Wearing jersey number 1. Lakap on the left wing. Lakap may tangan ng bola. There's a pick provided by Pascual. Pumunta siya sa kanan. Llantos na on top of the key. Punta sa kaliwa. Drives hard. Double team. One-handed shot. It does not fall. Put back. Ayaw pa rin. Rebound control for San Simon. Tumatakbo San Simon. Ito na si Jolo Pascual. Burning rubber. Banggang special with Vallescas. Ito na 3-point shot once again for Steven Angeles. Second in a row from 3-point territory, and he's cutting loose tonight. 2 of 2 for Steven Angeles. Outside sniping for Laka. Falls into place. So we're seeing a 3-point shot on OK Koala early on. Guns blazing right here in San Fernando City. 86 is the count. Malonzo, they swing it out. Ito na si Dimla. Drive, so bounce pass inside. Great play. Punsalan couldn't make it. From point blank range, nakuha pa rin ng bola, first point team. Ito na, si Valdez, Angeles. They kick out. Inside pass, Angeles. Initya na ng bola, hindi pumasok. Ponsalan for the stick back. Basket counts and 1. Dan deserves a second look. Take a look at this. For the offensive rebound. Ponsalan outsmarting Vallescas completely, and Vallescas will be called for his first personal foul. Patrick Ponsalan. Double P for a 3-point play opportunity. Just like me, P also, Pajaro. And it is a good 3-point play completed. 9-8 is the count. 6:32 remaining. Bola na ngayon ng Mexico. Ito na uli si Reden Llantos. Siya nang dadana ng bola from top of the key area. Nasa kaliwang bahagi ng court. Lumabas muna. They're looking for a cutter. Nowhere to go. On the outside, Lakap couldn't shake it. Spins, turns. Pass inside. Cycle Perez. Keep it sa ilalim. Drops it up. Not much time by the shot clock. They still prevailed. Nomer Pascual nagawa ng paraan for that inside foray. Nicely done. Back to a 1-point lead for Igbayong Mexico. 5:57 left. Here's Angeles. He is now smoking hot. 3 straight field goals for Steven Angeles. Guns blazing early in the first quarter. He has 8 points. Llantos may tawa ng bola. He brings it up the ladder now. 14 on the shot clock. Llantos, they swing it up on the left side. Here's Cycle Perez. Looking for a cutter, nowhere to go. Palming the ball right now. Shot clock winding down at 7. There's a pick provided by Pascual. Nowhere to go. Pascual has it. Down to 4 the shot clock. Down to 3. Down to 2. Down to 1. They need to put it up. Here it is. Cycle Perez airballs that shot as the shot clock expired on them. Let's see that again. This shot by Angeles. Inside pass. Telegraph. Whoop. Wait a minute. Sabi ni referee Jong Palan, meron tayong foul sa ilalim. It will be the second team foul. It's the first foul on Cycle Perez. 2 free throws for the offended party. Malonzo makes the first free throw. First point for Ian Malonzo. Not related to the Malonzo of Ginebra. 2 points now. 13-10 is our tally. Exactly 5 minutes left in the first half or first quarter of action. Shot will not work. Rebound control. At ito na si Lakap. Lakap on the outside. Penetrates inside the paint. The finger was good. Grace will drive to the basket by Lakap. Gives them a 1-point deficit. 12-13. 4:39 remaining on this very nightcap field basketball action here in Pampanga. Punsalan short on his shot. Rebound controlled by Lakap. 4:30 to play. Here's Lakap. Brings it up para sa white shirts ng Mexico. Lakap looking on. Here's with Llantos. Llantos on the right wing. Llantos top of the key. Hold on. Great crossover by Llantos. The drop inside the paint. Beautifully done. Vallescas at the right place at the right time. He knows how Llantos creating space. Look at this crossover. The love and the execution. First personal for Patrick Punsalan. And Vallescas cannot complete the 3-point play opportunity. 14-13 now, approaching the 4-minute mark in the first quarter. Malonzo siya nagdadala ng bola. Top of the key area. Now on the right wing. They're swinging out. Hanap na mapapasahan. Walang mapasahan. Cross-court pass. Pascual momentarily open. Inside to Dimla. Dimla imposing his will inside and beautifully done. First field goal there for Parley Dimla. And then Llantos and the rest of Mexico. Very closely fought encounter. Lakap for 3. Good! Both teams right now are shooting over 50%. Awesome shooting for both squads. Awesome shooting. Pascual on the outside. 3:28 remaining. That's how we expect Pampanga basketball. Angeles is unmolested. And he is dilching fire. 11 first quarter points for Angeles. Steven Angeles. 18-17. Here's Lakap. Right down the baseline. Lopez play. Cycle Perez. Double team. Now it's steal by Pascual. Pascual on the fast break. Here's a 4-on-1 situation. Can they execute it well? They do. Dimla with the basket. 4-on-1 situation with a perfect execution. Gibbs. San Simon a 3-point lead 2017 here on the nightcap. Cycle Perez with a baseline drive. Did not prevail. Battle for the rebound. Pascual 1 against 4. It has been a wonderful first quarter for both squads. Toe to toe. Look at this. Punsalan getting away. It was a foul. Very evenly matched ball club. A treat for Kapampangans in this Saturday nightcap. With this beautiful basketball game, we have a substitution on the floor. Uupo muna si Nome Pascual. And Punsalan now will shoot 2 free throws. He has 3 points right now. Now has 4. 1 more free throw for Punsalan. Already has 1 foul already. And San Simon leading only by a point. And he muffed the second free throw. 2.5 remaining in the first quarter of action. Lakap will bring it downtown. Lakap now playing almost 8 minutes without relief. Lakap with a cross. Reden Llantos likewise. Inside to Vallescas. Vallescas with a great undergo stab. He has 4. Tied at 21. Approaching the 2 minutes now in the first quarter. Ito na si Pascual. Pascual with a bounce pass. Here's Malonzo. The one-handed shot, no good. And we're approaching the 2-minute warning in the first quarter. Cycle Perez with that cycle move inside the paint. That's too strong. He gets it right back, but he's stepping out of bounds. Yun nga lang. Out of bounds si Perez. Nakapanghihinayang na pagkakataon sa kanya na makabuslo ng puntos para sa Ingbayong Mexico. A minute and 51 remaining in the first quarter. Very, very evenly matched ball game. Here's Dungo, our Mackie matchup here. And he gives up a foul. As he turned the ball over, medyo malagim pa si Andre Dungo. Of course, Andre Dungo, product of Sam's Academy of Pampanga. He's a backup player of the one-time MVP Ian Guevara, who plays on another municipality dito sa Delta Cup. Tied game at 21. This is our third deadlock of the ball game. A minute and a half remaining in the first quarter. Eto na si Rivadulla. First appearance for him. Here's Lakap. Top of the KO area. Lakap makes his move. Drops it off. Great pass inside. Nakpil scores. Nakpil picking up some spots. The first taste of the lead for Mexico, 23-21 in a long time. Pascual on the outside. Pascual looking on, shopping around. Dungo swinging out outside. Steven Angeles. First miss for Angeles after 4 attempts. And here's the fast break in the works. 4-2 situation. Lock up, the drop up. Nice stop by Dungo. Doon maasahan si Dungo sa kanyang mga defensive stops. Not much time on the shot clock. About 18 seconds. Here's Liantos. Lock up on the outside. Lock up. Here's a 3-point shot for Rivadulla. Not there. He gets it right back. First 14 for the white shirts. Here's Lock up. Square up for the 3-point bomb. It backs it out. Vallescas imposing his will inside. Didn't pay up. And Steven Angeles recovers for the blue shirts of Ilam San Simon. But they throw it away, that opportunity. And it was flabbergasted. Sayang. About 5-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. So let's see if they continue to stride here in this particular shot of the game. Ito na Ingbayong Mexico. With Llantos. It is a backward violation. No, it is a foul. Surprisingly, Dungo was called for his second personal. Andre Dungo. 23-21. 15.2 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Ito na si Reden Llantos. Llantos has the letter. Llantos on the outside. Now to Lakap. 6 seconds. Shot clock is off. Lakap makes his move. The runner is no good. Battle for the rebound. Vallescas right hold the rebound. And he scores heavily. Just in time. Just in time. Just in time. Mexico with a 4-point advantage as we take a look at this first quarter highlights. Starting with Lakap. And Barry Lakap, all of his highlights with a 9-point production for Ingbayong Mexico. And on the other hand, Steven Angeles with an 11-point production. 3 of them from 3-point region and 1 from 2-point region. That's how lethal his shooting accuracy is. This is our first quarter score.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Balik tayo dito sa Brenziao Convention Center, mga kasinags. SLA Junior World Showcase Pilipinas is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiansports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page at facebook.com/SinagLigaAsia. As we start this second quarter action, coming to you live from the Brenziao Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Ako po ang inyong commentator for tonight, Ryan Pajaro po lamang. covering this game 5 of 5 for this Saturday Delta Cup. Let's review the lineups. We have here a bucket there by Gerard McNeil. Joining him is Meneses. We have Dungka. We also have Kunanan. And we also have, let me see, it is Ribadulya. Now for San Simon, we have Dungo. We have Santos. As we see a missed shot from three-point region. Oh, look at that to tip in. And we have Kabigting. And we also have, let me check, we have Patrick Ponsalan. And to map it up, we have Salihan. Those are the 5 on the floor. We have a dribbling violation. 27-23. It is a 4-point lead now. Dungo brings it up the ladder. Outside sniping. Does not fall into place. And now Mexico will have the ladder. Here's Kunanan. Spots. Nope. Bit too strong. Rebound control for Dungo. That's his job. And we have a counter steal for Ribadulya. Fast break for the white shirts. Ribadulya. Starter step. Kick out. Here's Dunka. That's a long 3 from 25. Ill-advised shot. Air ball. Meneses is there for the picking, but he lost his bearings, lost his balance. Shot clock winding down at 6 seconds. They need to put it up. Dunka with 3 to shoot. Kunanan, runner short. And rebound control for San Simon. But there's a steal by Dunga, but a counter steal by Dunga. We see one steal after the other. And that propels Ponsalan with a great pump fake. Andre Ponsalan with a bucket. For Patrick Ponsalan now. He has 8 points. Scored the last 2 field goals here. We have a whistle. Oh, it's going to be an offensive foul on Gerard McNeil. His first personal. Let's see this slow-mo replay of this great pump fake by Patrick Ponsalan. Ano, yung si Sam Boylin, the late Sam Boylin, kapag sa mga fast break, pag may ganyan na, talagang pinay-fake niyang ganyan. Eh. He blows by those bigger opponents. Lalo na pagka Chinese ang kalaban. Tribute to the late Skywalker. In the meantime, back to live action. Patrick Ponsalan with a touch pass. On the outside, here's Dungo. Momentarily open, 9 on the shot clock. Dungo is like the smaller version of Justin Baltazar. There's a rejection. And here comes a timing defense for San Simon. We have a grappling in the backcourt, and we're going to have a hell ball situation. Ball possession now will be pointing to Igbayong, Mexico. Almost 3 minutes gone by in this second quarter. Meneses will bring it up. Ito na si Kunanan. Siya may tangan ng bola. Kunanan, top of the key. There's a pick. Kunanan pulls up a jumper. It's good. JB Kunanan, first bucket for him. 29-25, 4-point lead for Mexico. Time down to 6 minutes and 39. Ito na si Santos. Santos may tangan ng bola. Cross court. Ito na si Salihan. Salihan outside to Santos. 8 on the shot clock. Santos travels. 6 minutes and 22 remaining in the second quarter. So far, Mexico with a 4-point advantage. The closely fought contest right from the get-go. Kunana may tangan ng bola. They're swinging around. They're looking for a cutter. Kunana has it. Goes right. Shot clock winding down at 7. Kunana with a good bounce pass. Meneses momentarily open. He was clubbed by 2 defenders. Meneses travels. And he apologizes to the bench for that error. Yan ang gusto ko sa batang ito si Meneses. Napakabait na tao. Now the coach of San Simon, sabi ni Coach Danny Torres, galaw tayo, guys, galaw. Dungo, they swing it naman to Santos. Ball movement display, Kabigting drills a long 2. He stepped on the line, tip of his toe. First field goal for Ian Kabigting. 29-27. I like yung sinasabi ni Penelope, no? Kabigting. Sarap pakinggan eh, no? By the way, Penelope Wilhelmia will cover the 5 games of this Delta Cup tomorrow dito po sa Brenzy Yao Convention. So, ipapasa ko yung microphone sa kanya para bukas. Let's see that again in slow-mo. The long two of Kabig Ding from 21.5 feet. Nothing but net. Alright, meron po tayong timeout on the floor. It's gonna be a timeout by San Simon. The score, 29 Mexico, 27 San Simon. We have a ceasefire.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Of course, Sinag Liga Asia goes to Visayas. SLA born 2004, 19 under, and born 2007, 17 under. Magsisimula yan April 2024. So sa mga kabisaya, mayong kabi, ganyan tanan mga kasangkayan. Pupunta dyan ang Sinag Liga Asia. And of course, get well soon kay Coach Jack Perez of Barangay Santa Clara, Santa Maria, Bulacan. And also hi to Kendra Banayat. And also hi to Chris Lorraine Valeros. Yan. And also happy watching and happy birthday Mary Joy Fernandez from Kuya Zaldi and Flor. Yun ang ating mga pabate. 29-27, halfway house of the second quarter. Here's the Den Yantos. Look at it, bulldozing his way inside. Just couldn't make a basket. Niluwa ang bola. Dungo with a blind pass. Intended. Punsalan with another pump fake. The release is perfect. Superb second quarter for both squads. We're seeing a nick and tuck affair early on. Now we're seeing both teams are really preparing their down best to play on their A game tonight. Lock up with a layup. Oh, spin cycle for lock up. He's now scored 10 points for Mexico. And of course, sa aking partner na si Enzo Galarosa, na masasabi kong isang masipag na anchor. Get well soon, bro. And I know your situation. Ang masasabi ko lang, pagalingin ka nawa ng Panginoon. Enzo Galarosa. Very special. I could say direct, Enzo Galarosa is my little brother in broadcasting. Get well soon. Pagaling ka nawa. 3-point play by Meneses as we have this foul. Take a look at this replay of Meneses' flight to the basket. Sorry, pasensya na kung medyo natitiri tayo kasi napakasipag ng batang yan. At nakita ko kung paano siya talagang dedicated in this SLA Sports production. Anyway, let's get back to the ballgame and let's enjoy this one. 33-29, 3:45 remaining in the second quarter. The jump shot, it goes, voila. And I dedicate this game to Enzo. Special place in my heart. Punsalan, lays it up and in. 12 points for Punsalan. What a first shot for him, huh? He has the hops and he has this, this move by Punsalan reminds me of Nelson Asayton na para siyang the bull. Talagang binubulldoze niya yung mga kalaban. And he's very humble. I like that. 3-point play opportunity now for Punsalan. 33-21. Make that 33-32. 13 points for Patrick Punsalan. Top scoring for San Simon. How about that? 33-32. Meneses has it. Meneses drives to the basket against Angeles. He draws a foul. Woo. Wild and woolly action. Fast-paced action in our main game tonight. Meneses for 2 free throws. First up, yes. 3 points now for Argel Meneses. Misfires in the second free throw. Rebound control for Punsalan. Patrick Punsalan is like, for me, is like a Mr. Double-double machine. Eto na naman si Angeles! Just stands short. He has an open look. Dungo on the left wing. Dungo right down the baseline. 4 seconds on the shot clock. The reverse. Dimla, nicely done for that stick man. 6 points for Parley Dimla. Another offensive rebound. 6 points, 3 rebounds. How about that, Dimla? All of those rebounds coming from loose balls. Tabla na naman tayo sa 34. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our 4th deadlock and this is our main game of our 5-game encounter. And then Yantos now on the outside. And then Yantos with a crossover. There's a double team. Kick out Nato Meneses momentarily open. Shot clock winding down at 8. Here's the inside foray. Mangalas cannot make it. Shot clock expired, but they hit iron. And here's pass break. Dungo going all the way. Jose! And suddenly, San Simon grabs the driver's seat with that fast break blitz by our featured player, Andre Dungo. He's not contributing well, but that layup prepares them for another instant 2-point lead. 36-34 to 21 in the second quarter.
You ready to rock? 19 under, coming very soon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon.
(36-34) with 2:21 remaining. Like what I said just a minutes ago, nung nakita ko yung note na yan, I will dedicate this particular broadcast for my little brother, Enzo Galarosa. So, Enzo, enjoy this. Perez, Cycle Perez, rims out on that particular shot. Rebound control for the Blue Shirts. Approaching the 2-minute warning starting first half. Dimla, di niya nasa low. Nice interception there by Vallescas, Luis Vallescas. And then Yantos with the cross, the spin, the turn, the fake, and the conversion. First 4 points for Mexico belong to Llandos. Nanahimik sandali. Now he's taking charge. He has 6 points. Malonzo spots. Can't make it. Battle for the rebound. Here's Punsalan once again. Fakes, turns, spins. Look at this. Punsalan has been triple teamed but still managed to coming through. Talagang lumalaban ng banggaan. Take a look at this. Llandos spins cycle with a pump fake. So far, he has 6 markers. Frito na naman dito si Punsalan. The last foul is given up by number 8 player. That's Nomer Pascual, his first personal. Free throw is good for Punsalan. 14 points for Punsalan. Top scoring all scorers tonight. Punsalan takes a deep breath and misses the second free throw now with 1:35, 37, 36. It's just a 1-point lead for San Simon. Ito na si Lakap. Lakap has the letter now to Reden Llantos. Reden Llantos on the outside. Llantos makes his move. Here's a pick provided by Cycle Perez. Reden Llantos bulldozing his way inside. Corner shot. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng Mexico. Nagawa ng tuluyan. San Simon on the break. And here comes Malonzo. Look at that. No hesitation all the way, Jose. 4 points for Malonzo. Reden Llantos gusto makabawi. Ayaw. Malakas ang tira. Vallescas has it momentarily. Now Angeles. And the rest of the Mexico for another fast break finish. Supal ball ni Pascual from behind. Nomer Pascual erasing that shot. Right on the get-go. Take a look at this in slow-mo replay. Just when you thought that Punsalan has it. No, says Nomer Pascual. Return to sender. So, tatawag ang timeout and iba yung Mexico and this very spirited rally. Intense full first half. 39-36. San Simon.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Balik aksyon tayo dito sa Benzia Convention Center. Malapit na po ito sa March 10, 2024 sa Maryland, USA. Doon sa Burtonsville at the Paint Branch High School. Ang ating Sinag Lakas 40 and PBA Legends Special Basketball Exhibition Game. Kasama dyan si Alvin Patrimonio, Commissioner Rodney Santos at EJ File at ganyan din si SLA President Ray Alao. This guy, Ponsolan, has been wreaking havoc for San Simon. Already 14 points and a ton of rebounds. And the White Shirts of Mexico not giving up on that last play with a supreme rejection by Pascual. 3-point lead right now for I love San Simon. They have the letter. They're down to 10 seconds on the shot clock. Malayong tira ni Malonzo. Almost a surprise hit. Trickles out. And a good line. Whoops! A little shoving there. Ito na si Lakap. We'll bring it down. Time down to 30 seconds remaining. 2-for-1 play. Cycle Perez. The finger wall. He draws a foul. With his elongated arms, Alamon Fernandez, he draws a foul from someone. And that will be the very first foul on JP Vergara. Cycle Perez for 2 free throws. Rims out on his first try. Second free throw for Cycle. So far for Cycle Perez, only has 2 points, make that 3 points to his credit. So this will be the last play before we have to our last lemon time break for tonight. Again, paalala natin sa mga ating kabalin. Bukas po, si Penelope Wilhelmia, our lady sportscaster, will cover all 5 games for you dito sa Benzia Convention Center. We're down to the final 13 seconds. Last possession now, San Simon. 39-37, 9 seconds remaining. Airs Dungo. Down to 7, down to 6. It's an instant foul given up. But there is a foul away from the play. And that propels a review because there are some extracurricular activities na nangyari sa court away from the play. So our referees, Jong Balaya Jr., Noel Menchero, will review the last bit of action in slow-mo. Again, 39-37. At mamaya-maya will run down. O, sige, ibigay na natin ating mga scores. Let's see this replay at 6.2 seconds. Let's see this last bit of action. Ayun, yun yung... okay. It is an unsportsmanlike foul. It is an unsportsmanlike foul for White. Perez, Cycle Perez, was called for the unsportsmanlike foul criteria 2, excessive hard contact. And Cycle Perez will be called for a second personal foul. So that's an unnecessary, and it will be free throw time dun sa nasaktan. And that's it. That's Kalel Pulusan. Hasn't scored yet in this ball game. A chance to score. And look at this, Cycle Perez pin in this case to referee Jong Balaya Jr. First free throw is good. First point for Kalel Pulusan. Possession for San Simon, and we're down to the 6.2 seconds. They're going to play in for this last play of this first half. 6.2 seconds. Possession for San Simon. Here it comes. 6.2 ticks. At ito yung Ingbayong Mexico. Medyo masaya sila, pero mamaya medyo mag-i-intense to pagka nag-indikit ang laban ng parang ganito. 6.2. Last shot time for San Simon. Here it comes. Dungo has it. Down to 4, down to 3. Dungo lets it fly from three-point country. It bounces out, and that should do it. 40 for San Simon, 37 for Mexico. Direct, let's unravel our viewers our beautiful second quarter highlights for tonight. So napakagandang laban na ito. Here's some of the highlights. There's a great pump fake by Ponsolan. And on the other end, the reverse layup by Gerard Takpil. Ito, long two ni Ian Kabigteng. And of course, the spin and the finger roll by Barry Lakap. These are some of the highlights of the first half as we draw to a close after 20 minutes of playing time, 40-37. Halftime break po tayo. Magbabalik ang yung Delta Cup.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago,
40-37 ang ating halftime score. San Simon labang ng 3 laban sa Igbay, Mexico. Ipakita natin direct ang ating mga halftime highlights after 20 minutes of playing time for this Viking matchup of our game 5 of 5. Ito yung 3-point shot converted by Barry Lacap. And we have Piley Dimla's fast break finish. And then a reverse layup scored by Gerard Nakpin. And of course, the reverse make by Barry Lacap also. And Dungo lazy rin para sa San Simon. These are some of the halftime highlights. Leading scorers, Barry Lacap with 10, Gerard Nakpin 6, and the Deliantos 5 for Mexico. Para naman sa San Simon, Patrick Punsalan 14, Steven Angeles 11, and Piley Dimla with 6. And let's get started for our third quarter action. Pascual, Dungo, Angeles. We have, we'll check the number 18 pala yun. Oh, Dimla misses the right-handed shot. So we also have Dungo and we also have Jolo Pascual. So foul on Balliescas, his second. First free throw is good for Dimla. He has 7. Missed the second. Papunta na tayo sa third quarter. Para naman sa Mexico, we have Laca, Pascual, Llantos. We also have Kyle Perez. And we have Luis Vallescas. We have a foul away from the play. It's going to be a foul on Steven Angeles. And that's already his second personal foul. Mexico now will inbound in front of us. Llantos has it. Change court na po tayo mga kaibigan. Llantos drives. Layup, no. Angeles clamps the rebound. Para sa San Simon. Pascual. Kick out. That's a long 3. No. Dungo takes fly. Oh! My marquee player, Dungo. Nagpapakita. And Dungo was hurt after that inbound, and that's an automatic review. So let's see that. This last bit of action in slow-mo, kung ano nangyari doon after that made basket by Dungo. Take a look at this. Takes fly. Ayun, pumasok. Pagkapasok ng tira. Ooh. Cycle Perez has some extra motion there. .43-37 is in count. I don't know if Perez has the sportsmanlike foul earlier, but we'll check that. Uh-oh. Unsportsmanlike foul. If that is the second foul on Perez, he's out.
Gil Perez out of the play.
Yes, that's the second unsportsmanlike foul. He had that earlier in the first half. And Cycle Perez will be sent to showers. That's it. 3 points for Cycle Perez and 2 unsportsmanlike fouls. He's out of the game. And will be escorted by our security Dodong to... Dodong will escort Cycle Perez out. Yes. Ayan, umalis na rin si Cycle Perez. So Dungo will take 2 free throws. It's now 37-43. Dungo makes both free throws. 37-44. The lead is now 7. San Simon with a second half onslaught. Medyo a little bit flat-footed ang Ingbayong Mexico at the start of the second half. .44-37. Here's Lakap. Lakap has it. Goes right. Lakap starter step. Spins. Turns. Lakap puts it in. Plus a foul to boot. Let's take a look at that spin move. And that's a foul against Patrick Punsalan. That will be his second personal foul. 3-point play opportunity for Lakap, who has 12 points. Whoa! Tip in by Gerard Nakpil. 4 points now for Nakpil. 45-41. The lead is 4 points. Closely fought encounter as we expected. Inside pass for Dungo. Almost taken away. It's going to be an offensive foul on Dungo. Andre Dungo now with his second personal foul. Lakap. Llantos. Instant foul given up by Jolo Pascual. That's his first. And now San Simon already in foul trouble. Next fouls will be free throws for offended party for Mexico as Lakap will try to size up his opponent. Great crossover against a much bigger Dungo. Lakap inside the pass. Telegraph intercepted by Angeles. Pascual with a nice catch and a home run. Believe it or not, that's the very first field goal for Jolo Pascual off an assist by Angeles. 47-41. Lakap from the corner. 14 on the shot clock. 7:45 in the game in the third quarter. They swing it out on the right wing. 7 on the shot clock. Low post play. Fakes. Reverse. It's traveling. Caught dancing on the wrong song there for Nakpil. Dungo. Here's Pascual. They swing it out to Angeles. Dimla drives. Taken away. Vallescas. The lob. Nakpil can't make it. On the other side, Dungo is up ahead. Pascual converts. Another assist there by Dungo. 49-41, the lead is 8. San Simon. Llantos, pick provided. Llantos drives. Llantos gets it to go. 8 points now for within Llantos. The lead is 6 points for San Simon, 49-43. 6:37 in the third quarter. Eto na si Pascual. Ponsalan at low post. Ponsalan with a fall away. It's no good. Rebound control by Vallescas. Vallescas dribble off his knee. Oh, it's naswerte si Nakpil. Libre. Oh! Is that a goaltending? Yes, goaltending. Basket counts for Nakpil. Basket interference. Bumo na si Dungo. Played a good game today. And the lead is down to 4. Nakpil now has 6 points. Malonzo. Touch pass. Dimla on the outside. 13 to shoot. Here's Angeles. Has gone cold of late. Ponsalan spins. Outside to Pascual. Shot at 6. Intercepted once again. And here comes Nakpil on a getaway. Look at that. First half he has 2. 6 straight points for Nakpil. Now he has 8. 6 unanswered for Mexico. Now the lead is down to 2. Angeles. 5:41 remaining. Another interception. Here comes Nakpil on the fast break. Nakpil with a lob pass. Nakpil scores. And suddenly we are dead even at 49-8-0 by Ingbayong Mexico. Ties the count at 49. 5 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Take a look at this flight. Nakpil with a layup. And one more time. This time Nakpil loves it to lock up. And we are dead even at 49.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Back to live action. This guy has been superior of late. Lockup has already collected 12 points to his credit. Back to live action. Tabla tayo at 49. This is our 4th dead lock of the ball game. 3-point shot on the right quarter court. Angeles swims it out. At ito na ang pagkakataon ng Mexico na makalamang. Here's Nakpil. Looking left, looking right. Llantos momentarily open. Fakes. Fires. That's too strong. There's a foul. It's a foul on Pascual. We see some jeers from San Simon fans. Alright, meron tayong report para kay Francine Marco. Francine, take it away.
Good evening, Ryan. The goal for Ingbayong Mexico is to secure the top 4 place and get the twice-to-beat advantage according to their head coach, Coach J.R. Gomez. And when I asked him what he thinks will be their challenge, getting this much-needed win and advantage, ang sabi niya sa akin, they're really looking out for Andre Dungo as he was a part of the UAAP Juniors Mythical 5 for UST, and as well as maximizing their team's communication and defense. Sabi nga ni Coach, ang mindset nila is simple. Dapat manalo, and surely the Ingbayong Mexico team will be working for every point to get that 4th place advantage. Now back to you, Ryan.
Excellent report, Francine. Yes, Ivan Dungo is now part of the juniors team. The same university for of the player of Apalit. That's Isaac Danting. Now on the UST. 3-point bomb exploded for Gerard Nakpil. And now Ingbayong Mexico ahead by 5, 54-49. 4 minutes and 24 remaining in the third quarter. Now we're coming to this fever pitch, intense field main game of this 5-game spread. Here's the drive inside by Punsalan. Nowhere to go, Punsalan. Tightly guarded. Shot clock ready now at 4. They need to put it up a shot. Angeles banks it out. Rebound control for Ingbayong Mexico. Fast break play. Lakab will go all the way. Rejected by Pascual. Smothering block by Pascual. What a block! What a superb block by Pascual on the trail. That deserves a second look. Look at this. Lakab. Sabi ni Pascual, supalpal. Supalpal. Especial. Look at him. Look at Pascual howling. What do have a staircase here? 54-49 now. 5-point lead for Mexico. Kapig team may tanga ng bola. They swing it around on the left side of the court. Here's Angeles now. Angeles right down the baseline. The drop up by Dimla. Dimla now. Shot clock ready now at 8. Inside. Again, another interception. The Delgado's up ahead. He will go for the home run. And ladies and gentlemen, just like Sam Sarmenta says, and listen to this Mexico crowd roar! 56-49. Lopez play for Malonzo. Malonzo with a bounce pass. Inside play for Dimla. Dimla misses the shot. And now the momentum is on the side of Mexico. You can see the howling of fans here at the Benzilla Convention Center. Lakab will slow down the tempo. 3:07 remaining. The lead is 7 for Mexico, 56-49. Lakab on the left side. Lakab will drive. Ball intercepted now. Counter steal. And here's Pascual with a home run. And we have a technical foul on Pascual for taunting. Uh-oh. Technical foul on Pascual for taunting.
Technical foul on number 9. Joel
Look at that.
For taunting.
Both teams are emotionally immersed in this ball game. Let's see that again in the replay. Ito yung fast break finish. Pascual scores for the layup, and Pascual, oh, he taunts Llantos. Stare down. That's illegal. Uli ka ni referee John Lesigues, who whistled that tee, and Lakab will take a technical free throw for Ingbayong Mexico. It's good. 14 points for Gerard Nakpil. The lead is 5 for Mexico, 56-51. A very, very animated crowd here at Benzilla Convention Center. Upo muna si Nakpil. Lakab now brings it up. Playing heavy minutes in this ball game. 57-51 now. 6-point lead for Mexico. 2 minutes and 42 remaining in the third. Here's the drive. It's a traveling error. Yes. Called by referee Jong Balayan Jr. Dungo now. Here's Angeles. Here's Dungo. Brings it up the ball. He's swinging around. Looking for a cutter. Here's Angeles momentarily open. Has gone cold of late. And now he turns the ball over. Lakab with a fast break. Lakab lays it up. It's in. 16 points for Lakab. And I cannot hear myself of this howling of the crowd here at Benzilla Convention Center. Talaga napakaingay dito. Angeles still gone cold after assisting first half. Llantos will go for the home run. (61-51) under 2 minutes remaining. It's like we're playing Gilas versus Taiwan bukas. Dugo. May tanga na bola. Dugo will drive. Sidestep. The runner. It's no good. Rebound control by Balliascas. Balliascas will slow down. Mexico now with a double-digit spread. 10-point advantage. With 37 remaining in the third quarter. Ito na si Lakab. There's a pick for Biden. Oh, Lakab will try for a 3-point shot! $19 points for Lakab. He's now running berserk in this third quarter. 64-51. Gusto kagad makasagot ang San Simon. It went for naught as Angeles has gone gold in this third quarter. A minute and 14 remaining. Look at the crowd here at the Benzilla Convention Center. Talaga namang tulak kabigin. 64-51. Approaching a minute now in this third quarter. Sabi ni Ribadulla, Aldwin Ribadulla, dahan-dahan muna tayo. Ito na si Meneses. Meneses has the letter. A minute remaining in this third quarter. Lakab on the outside. Shot clock winding down 5. Crossover by Lakab. Meneses, 2 to shoot. Lakab needs to put it up. and lost it, and that will be a shot clock violation. 24-second shot clock violation for Mexico. 64-51. 46 seconds to go. Dungo has the letter. Dungo, kick out. Here's a three-point shot on its way. Bullseye! Timing three-point shot by Ace Salihan. 35 ticks, 64-54. Lockup will bring down the letter. Lockup. Now to Ribadulya. Ribadulya shopping around. Now to Lockup. They swing it out the left side of the court to Meneses. Back to Lockup. 8 to shoot. Ribadulya double team. No foul called. And we have a foul spotted by referee. It is a holding foul on John Santos, only his first personal. And more importantly, San Simon in penalty situation, so 2 free throws will be given for Pau Suba. 2 important free throws now for Pau Suba. 64-54. Yes, first point for Suba. 65-54. Second, short, rebound. It's going to be a double lane violation, jump ball. And ball possession will stay for Ingbayo, Mexico. 14-second shot clock now with 18 seconds to go in the third. 4-second differential. In the meantime, Ribadulya right down the base. There's a double team, clamp on him. Meneses picks it up. Only 8 on the shot clock. Meneses moves out of trouble, and there's a steal provided. Salihan with a fast break finish. Not much time remaining. 3 seconds to go. They need to hoist it up. Ribadulya with 1 second to go, and that's it for our third quarter. As Mexico zooms the lead, 65-56. But before we take a break, let's show us this third quarter highlights, starting with Lockup with a turnaround. And Abani Lockup has collected 22 points on this ball game. 22 big points. 3-point shot by Barry Lockup. Nothing but net. And look at that tree on his finger. Yan po ang ating score, 65-56. We will bring you the fourth quarter in a moment.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message to our Facebook page, facebook.com/sinagligaasya. And of course, dito sa Brencia Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga, beautiful ladies of our Kapampangan girls. Always delightful to watch. Maya kabebing po kay kayo. Uy, meron tayong alam na this. Not gonna say it on air, huh? Those sweethearts checking the text message. Fourth quarter action. Whoops. Is that a foul? Yes, a foul on the Den Llantos. That's only his first personal foul. It is a blocking foul, or rather it's Paulo Suba's foul. First personal. Maya pabengi po mga kay kayo mga kabalen. Ako po muli ang inyong lingkod, your commentator for tonight, Ryan Paro, coming to you live from the Brencia Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga, sa ating fourth quarter of this action-packed Mexico San Simon toss-up. 14 shot clock now for the Blue Shirts. Punsalan, the pass is almost telegraphed. Llantos, hinabol. Llantos has it. Llantos against 2 defenders. Scores! Lockup with 22 points. Llantos with 16. 1-2 punch of Mexico in full display. Salihan 3, short. Rebound controlled by the Blue Shirts. Angeles has gone cold in the second half. Dungo. Almost slapped away by Ribadulya. Dungo was fouled by Ribadulya. First personnel for Aldrin Ribadulia. Second team foul already for Ingbayong Mexico. Salihan 3 once more. That's air ball. Angeles can't make it. Meneses clamps the rebound. And it is an 11-point edge for Mexico. Daan-daan muna sila, but they have an opening. Meneses will try to execute with a pass inside the plate. Seeing an open Suba Deuce. 69-56. From the baseline. Here's Dungo on the right wing. Angeles momentarily open. Let's see if he can catch fire. He's gone cold. He's missed the last 5 shots from the outside. After a first half assault, Angeles has gone cold. Sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, weather lang yan. 69-56 is a 13-point edge para sa Ingbayong Mexico. Not much time on the shot clock. It reads 4 seconds. Ribadulia makes his ball, fires a 3-point shot, time short. It hit iron. Nice save. Llantos drops it up. Here's Suba. Converts. And Ingbayong Mexico cannot do anything wrong as they establish a Baker's dozen lead. 69-56. Save by Ribadulia. Suba converts from 17 at timeout by San Simon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You
8 minutes and 7 remaining in the fourth quarter. Napakabilis ng aksyon. Pascual. Shot. Works! Angeles finally dwells in the 3 after missing the last 5 attempts. He has 14 points. Kunanan. Llantos will chew up the clock. They're up by 12, 71-59. 7:40 remaining in this ball game. Ribadulia. Step back 3 if it goes. It does! (74-59). Here's Dungo. And we have a foul. So foul will be given up by Suba. Foul Suba, that will be second personal. Well, the score should be 74. We'll check that. There you go. Finally, the score is okay. Shot clock at 7. Pascual drives, hang time move, partially deflected. It's going to be a foul on Suba. That's his third personal. 74-59. Pascual will take 2 free throws. They're down by a big 15-point margin after a third quarter assault. From a 70-40 count, Mexico established a 28-point output as compared to only 16. And Pascual misses both free throws. And the ball goes back to Mexico. Llantos will inbound. Ribadulia has it. Ribadulia brings it downtown for the white shirts. There is some trap on the backcourt. And they got the steal right now. And here comes Pascual. Nagmamadali. But that time intercepted by Ribadulia. Now to Llantos. He's looking for Suba. Llantos with a hang time move. 18 points for Llantos. 18 points. Coming closer for lockups, 22 markers. 76-59. Salihan for 3. No soak. Rebound. Ribadulia. Towers high for it. Hounded by Angeles. Another steal by Salihan on the backcourt. Angeles inside the paint. Scores the bucket. Hindi talaga bibitaw ang Mexico. Now they're down by 15. Now they're trapping the ball carrier. Meneses. The lob to Llantos. High in the sky play once again. 20 points for Llantos of a great assist by Meneses. 78-61. Outside sniping for Angeles. Falls into place. Also 20 points for Angeles. High-octane basketball we're seeing here. 78-64. 5:50 left in the final quarter. Mexico is trapping. Yantos has it. They cross the 8-second line. Cunanan will slow down the tempo. Lamang tayo ng 14. Shot clock running down at 9. There's a pick provided by Suba. Here's the shot for Cunanan. It rattles in. 80-64. Both teams trading basket. Here's Dungo. Back dribble. Step back three if it goes. It doesn't. Rebound with Meneses. Meneses nagmamadali. Another steal. Dungo has it. Looking for a three-pointer. Ito na naman si Angeles. They leave it now on three-point shot. It won't go. Meneses for the rebound. And Angeles will be called for the faking a foul. Cunanan. Yantos. Here's Cunanan with 15 on the shot clock. Halfway point of the final quarter. 5 minutes now. Shot clock at 10. Cunanan goes left. Binigay kay Suba. Suba batted away. Dungo with another steal. The lob. Salihan cannot get it. Ribadulla on a safety. And Ribadulla says let's slow down. Hounded him is Pascual. Ribadulla lost his dribble. Turnover. Babalik ang bola sa San Simon. Well, they can't afford the turnovers for as long as San Simon can score baskets. At babalik ngayon si Gerald Nakpil. Uupo muna si Cunanan. And let's, whoops. I think we have a timeout. And I believe the report of Francine Michael will be after this timeout.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Okay, ibato muna natin kay Francine Marco for report. Francine?
Good evening, Ryan. Sipag at syaga at gawin ng lahat ng makakaya with what they have ang sabi ni Coach Danny Torres of I Love San Simon when I asked what his team's mindset what for this game. Dahil wala daw ang kanilang ibang key players, they would have to maximize the players left in their team. One among the names he mentioned is Patrick Punzalan, who has been contributing well for his team. It's a do-or-die game for San Simon at pag natalo daw sila ay hindi na nila hawak ang kanilang kapalaran, sabi ni Coach Danny. Kaya talagang pinaghandaan daw nila itong game na to. They even watched and replayed Mexico's previous game so they could see what system would work best for them. Now, all that's left for San Simon is their execution and their defensive changes para makamit nila ang panalo. Now, back to you, Ryan.
Well, Francine, I can simply say that it is a tall order for San Simon to come back in this 14-point deficit with 4:20. Thank you so much for that. Vallescas, trap. And we have a foul. And look at Coach Danny Torres, he's upset. Report personal foul. That's the fourth personal foul for Andre Dungo, and it is a warning on San Simon for improper bench decoro. Worried look there for Coach Danny Torres. They are on the 14-point deficit. I'm talking about San Simon. I love San Simon. Team Bayong Mexico ahead by 14. Lakap. Shot clock at 15. A lot of time to spare to make up a play. This is pick provided by Nakpil. Lakap makes his move. On the outside, we have Suba. Bad pass. Salihan on the fast break. Will challenge Vallescas. Draws a foul. Will take 2 shots. That will be the third personal foul for Luis Vallescas. Yes, it is. Third personal foul. Salihan for 2 free throws. The lead is down to 14. Mathematically possible, but they need to make their move now. And they need to, excuse me, tight rope the offensive rhythm of Mexico. Sabihin, higpitan nila yung kanilang depensa. Salihan splits. 80-67 now with 3 minutes and 51 remaining in the sporting final quarter. And the ball will stay for the white shirts of Mexico. Penalty situations in effect na para sa San Simon. Mexico only has one team foul. Nakpil has the letter. Nakpil drives. Nowhere to go. 13 to shoot. Whoops. Vallescas, Llantos, still top of the key. 8 on the shot clock. Drop pass. Ah, that's too strong. That's too strong. Three and a half remaining in this ball game. Pascual letting the ball roll. It will not. Okay, finally they pick up the ball, and here's Dungo. Dungo with a spin. And there's going to be a foul against Ingbayong, Mexico. That will be against Lockup. Only the first person on Lockup. And Mexico already in penalty situation. 2 free throws now for Dungo. So this is an opportune time to chew up the lead as Dungo misses the first. Second free throw for Dungo. Rattles in. 7 points for Andre Dungo. 80-68. The lob. That's a great catch by Pascual. He muffed that shot inside the paint. That's it. Uh-oh, Dungo lost it. Oh, nice save. And Mexico will get back the possession. $80-68. Here's Lacap. Vallescas drives hard. Vallescas lays it up. No. One more time around the back for Vallescas. He was pushed. No. There is a traveling error for Vallescas. Two minutes and 58 seconds remaining in this important final quarter. Last ditch stand up for San Simon. It is a 12-point deficit staring straight in their face as Dungo brings it up. Left dribble, spin, turn. Rejected. Rejected. And look at the concern for Dungo because parang siya he's slightly sprained, but he's okay. He just shrugged it off. Tenseful situation in this ball game dahil nakaya dito yung kanilang placing sa playoffs. Let's see that again. Smothering block by Nomer Pascual. Okay, kapangalan ni Direk Nomer Santiago. Dito ganun siya magpalpal dati. 2:51 remaining. Inbound. Intercepted. Read heavily by Vallescas. And then Llantos says, let's chew up some clock. We are on a 12-point lead. Lacap will slow down the tempo. Llantos makes his move from top of the key. 10 to shoot on the shot clock. Double pick. And it is an illegal pick. Vallescas will be called for the offensive foul. And that will be sport. Correction, that's only his third personal. Okay. 2:28 remaining. Slight hope here for San Simon, but they need to score in bunches. They need to score quickly as much as possible. Ito na si Dungo. Pascual drops it up. Kick out. 3-point shot. Salihan. Yes! Ace Salihan with an ace of base 3-pointer from the corner. Instant timeout given up by Mexico. We'll be right back.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
Let's take a look at the team standings. Focus on our two teams right now. Ingbayong, Mexico, 5 wins, 4 loss. ILAB San Simon, 4 wins, 4 loss. Should Mexico wins, they're gonna go 6-4. Should San Simon wins, they're gonna go 5-5 and tie Ingbayong, Mexico. Ganun ka-komplikado ang ating team standings. 2:17 left. 2 timeouts left. Mexico has 2. San Simon has 1. From the backcourt pressure. Here's Reden Llantos. We're now approaching on the twilight zone of this encounter. Let's listen in to Ram validation. Last 2 minutes right now. Reden Llantos. Here's Nakpil. Drops it up. Llantos scores! Another timely basket. And we have another foul. Basket. And 1 for Pascual on the other end of the floor. Just quickly. And there's going to be a review. So let's see what happens here. 82-73 with 1:46 in the ball game. So really being nating referees yung nangyari after the made basket on the other end. San Simon pitch it to Pascual. He gets it a home run, but he was swallowed slightly in the face. And the review niya ng referee what will be the indication if that foul is going to be unsportsmanlike or that foul will be retained as foul as per status quo. 1:46. It is just a foul. Okay, it is just a foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. A pitch. Pascual lays it up. Basket 1. And it's going to be a foul on lockup, second personal. 3-point play opportunity for Cholo Pascual. No. 8 points for Pascual. And Mexico chew up some clock. Llantos almost lost it. There's a double team. Almost taken away by Dungo. Not quite. Laka. Oh, steal by Salihan. Salihan drives hard. He will draw a foul. 2 more free throws and Laka will be called for his third personal. The game is not yet over. Lumalaban talaga until the final buzzer itong San Simon. And Salihan with a surprise. 8 points in the fourth quarter. All 8 points of Salihan coming from the fourth. Surprise package here for San Simon. But the question is that enough? With 1:30 to go. 9 points for Salihan. 74-82. 90 seconds remaining in this ball game. 10 points for Salihan. 74-82. Here's Reden Llantos. Brings it up. They're going to chew on some clock. Pascual has it. Here's Lakap. 15 to shoot. Need to be more patient here. Here's Lakap. Will drive against Dungo. And it's going to be a foul on Dungo. It's not a foul on Dungo. It is. Fourth personal foul. And San Simon only his second team foul. Mexico will utilize another timeout with 1:15 remaining, and we will return.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Here are the games for tomorrow. Sunday, Feb 25 sa ating Delta Cup. First game at 9, Magalang, Santa Rita. 11 o'clock sa Smuan, Santo Tomas. 1 p.m. San Fernando versus Minalin. 3 p.m. San Simon, Angeles City. And at 5, Macabebe, Florinda Blanca. All games will be covered by our beautiful lady sportscaster, Penelope Wilhelmia. She will cover all of them for you. 14 on the shot clock. Mexico will try to chew up some clock, but they throw the ball away. And here's Dungo on a fast break. Dungo will get the layup. 9 points for Andre Dungo. The lead is down to 5, 82-77. Nervous time here at the Benzia Convention Center. And an instant foul given up by Salihan. The game is not yet over. What a comeback by Mexico in the fourth quarter. Crucial free throws now for Pascual. No. 77-82. 63 seconds to go. Misses both. Rebound. Still. Vallescas has it. 10 to shoot. And Dungo gives up a foul. He didn't box out well enough. And Dungo fouls out of the game. And that's it for Andre Dungo. He finishes the game with 9 points. Much more than San Simon now, as Ian Malonzo checks back in, who scored 4 points in this game. 58.2. San Simon, Mexico needs an insurance basket. Almost a steal again. Yes, they got it. Angeles brings it up the ladder. They need almost trouble there. Pascual drives. Pascual on the outside. They kick it out. Salihan, three-point shot. No, rebound. It is Mexico with 42 seconds. Foul by Angeles. Salihan is open but just couldn't make it. Not enough spin on that last attempt. Third personal foul on Angeles. Lockup can ice it for Mexico. They have a 5-point advantage, 2-possession game. Yes. 23 points for Lockup. If he makes this is going to be a 3-possession game. Now, rebound. Dimla brings it up. Pascual on a fast break. Pascual. Salihan. Behind the back. Dimla. No. Pascual has it. Battle for the loose ball. Mexico has it. And that's going to be a foul. With 29 seconds remaining. It's a foul on Dimla. That's his second. Oh, listen to this crowd. Akala ko nasa football tayo eh, no? Ole, ole, ole. First is good for Lockup. 24 points. And should Mexico wins, I will interview him in this best player honors. Superb performance. No, that's his last-ditch stand for San Simon. 27 seconds. They need a 3-point shot. And they throw the ball away, probably. (84-77). Looks like Mexico might get this win. And there's going to be a foul on Dimla. It's going to be the third personal on Dimla. So Llantos, 2 more free throws. With 21.2 seconds. Pero dikit yan, no? 82-77. Pero mukhang naubusan ang San Simon as Llantos misses the first of 2. It's a 3-possession ball game now. Yes. All right. San Simon will utilize the last timeout and will not gonna turn over. We're gonna continue on. And again, kanina in-announce natin yung mga 5 games. Si Penelope Wilhelmia, of course, get well soon sa ating broadcast partner na si Enzo Galarosa. We tweet this game. At mamaya meron akong sasabihin sa closing spiel ko. Kasi talagang si Enzo from the start of this organization, he has been the face of SLA Sports Production. Yan, si Enzo Galarosa. Magaling ka, partner. And my little brother. 21.2 seconds. San Simon, wala na silang timeout. Mexico, meron pa silang isa. Both teams in penalty situation. That's our game reset. So, San Simon will inbound on the front court, 14-second shot clock. If they miss this, the game is over. Mexico will get the W. Pascual in inbound in front of Commissioner Leo. Last-ditch stand for San Simon. They need the 3. Here it comes. Here's the 3 from the corner. Salihan. No. Game's over. The game is over. Dimla just fouling. 8-point game. Just prolonging the agony for San Simon. They're trying their best. But it just not enough. So, dalawang free throws po para kay Barry Lockup. Barry with a big heart. Providing quality plays for his teammates. And maximizing their potential. And miss both. Lockup has it. And here it comes. San Simon, 7 seconds. One more, 3 points. Salihan. Oh! Di talaga matatapos to, 4 seconds. Inbound. Can they inbound? Llantos. That's it, game over. Final score, 85-80. Ing Bayong Mexico prevailing over San Simon with a 5-point victory. And of course, in a very short while, interview natin ang ating best player of the ball game. It's a quality main event for this particular ball game. And of course, this guy, Barry Lockup, with a 24-point output, is the captain of the ship. Final score natin, 85-80. Ing Bayong Mexico won a closely fought contest on a mighty San Simon squad. Emotionally immersed ball game. And of course, kasama ko na ngayon ang ating best player of the ball game, Barry Lockup, with 24 points. May mga konting tanong lang sa iyo, Barry. Barry, saan mo nakuha yung puso na maglaro for 40 minutes and glue this team for this very important victory?
Sa ano po, sa mga coaches po, sa mga kasangga ko, sa management po namin. Tsaka po sa coach ko po sa school po, si Coach Jerry po.
At Barry, sa tingin mo ba itong Mexico playoff ready? Alam natin may mga key players pa na wala sa iyong kupunan.
Opo, yung pong si Perez po. Malaking bagay rin po siya sa amin.
Okay. And with that, Barry, hindi ka na patatagalin. Of course, pwede ka na bumati, magpasalamat. Here's the camera. Go ahead.
Binabati ko po yung mayor po namin sa Mexico, si Mayor Roding Gonzales po, sa suporta po. Sa girlfriend ko po, sa CDS po, sa family ko po, sa tatay ko pong nanonood ngayon, sa suporta po niya.
Alam mo, inaasar ako ni Argel Meneses pero okay lang. Nanalo naman kayo. Congratulations sa Barry Lockup for a wonderful performance, 24 points. Best player of the ball game. Well, mga kaibigan, that's it for our 5-game broadcast. Ing Bayong Mexico winning 85-80. Yan ang ating best player of the ball game, Barry Lockup. Ulitin natin mga games for tomorrow. 9 a.m. Magalang versus Santa Rita. 11 a.m. Sasmuan versus Santo Tomas. 1 p.m. San Fernando versus Minalin. 3 p.m. San Simon versus Angeles. And 5 p.m. Macabebe versus Florida Blanca will be brought to you by Penelope Wilhelmia tomorrow sa ating sa Brendan Cia Convention Center. Well, in behalf of Direct Norman Santiago, Direct Billy, and the rest of the hard-working men and women of SLA Sports Productions, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paolo, nagsasabing, Sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been the production of SLA Sports for Delta Cup 2024. And I will close this broadcast with a closing spiel of my friend Enzo Galarosa from San Fernando, Pampanga. Good night, goodbye, and to God be the glory.